Tell us.
At work, nearly every kitchen has today. And when you cut it out, it's going to multiply your progress to saying goodbye to high blood sugar for good. These steps take energy, but without it, most people end up giving up halfway. And that's why we have created a 5-day shortcut to all-day energy challenge. So if fatigue has been holding you back, this is your plan to finally fuel the change. The link is below. Okay, step number 3, eliminate the ultra-processed foods.
Shop the perimeter of the grocery store and stick to ingredients you can recognize and pronounce.
I really need to take a little video of it because I'll be, hey guys, I'm in the store again and I'm walking around the outside with you.
Yeah, that's
But
what.
you feel good. All you got to do is cook simple meals with those ingredients, the fresh ingredients, whole foods.
You don't need a ton of ingredients because you're not eating like it's Christmas or Thanksgiving or a big special meal. You just need simple ingredients, and your taste buds will change over time, and it'll taste wonderful to you because you can taste the actual food.
Yeah.
You can taste the actual fruit. You don't need all the additives and fancy ingredients.
You feel so much better.
Yeah.
I mean, it's inevitable that you will kind of shop still in the middle of the aisles. And so what are some like one key thing that people need to do to make sure they're buying better products, better food?
Read the labels, the long chemical list of things. You put it back with a vengeance, right? Because those lead to blood sugar chaos. So you always have to read your labels.
And I guess with that being said, you don't want to fall for labels like natural or sugar-free.
Greenwashing.
It is, right? Or the process is still processed.
It's a process at the end of the day.
Yeah.
And yes.
Salt, sugar, fats.
Exactly. And all these other additives that's sneaking in calories into your diet and you can't figure out where it's coming from. You don't need all of that.
Yeah.
Stop excusing convenience. Basic meal prep is simpler than it looks.
You don't need to use these convenient chemical concoctions to eat.
No, you don't. Just retrain your taste buds.
Yeah. And the reason why this works is because ultra-processed foods, they just hijack your appetite and they overwhelm your insulin response because there's so much stuff added and it's not true energy. When you remove them, it's like taking the brake lights off your body's natural balance system.
That is true. And they're designed to keep you hooked.
Yeah. Eat more and more and more. It's not to sustain you throughout the whole day. And when you start eating whole foods, you're sustained through the whole day. So you're actually eating less.
Yes.
It's better fuel and keeps you going longer.
Yes. Yes. Agreed.
Just picture this. No more brain fog or midday crashes as soon as you walk through the door at 2 p.m. or 4 p.m. No more cravings. Instead, you're going to have steady all-day energy, feeling great. You're going to have a healthier waistline. You're going to have confidence in your future health. You're going to be rocking and rolling like nobody's business.
That's the gift of these 3 steps. They multiply each other and build a foundation of lifelong control.
Health is really simple when you think about it, whereas diabetes, heart disease, or any other chronic disease. And energy is the core crux. When you have the core energy, it's so important and you live a healthier life. So let's recap. Number 1 is you want to embrace the plant-based carbs with fiber.
Number 2 is lose excess body fat with sustainability.
And 3, you want to cut out those ultra-processed foods.
The stakes are high, but the steps are simple. Choose one this week and master it, and then stack the others.
Your blood sugar doesn't have to control your life anymore. And these 3 steps will work together, but only if you have the energy to follow through. That's why we have developed the 5-day shortcut to all-day energy. Check it out with the link below.
Until next time, be well.
Take care.